Rahat Rahman. Assalamu alaikum, sir. Walaikum salam. Sir, I study in a co-school where my seat is fixed with a girl. What should I do? I can't leave that school. What should I do? The brother Rahat Khan has asked a question that he studies in a co-ed school and his seat is fixed with a girl. What should he do? We have to first try and find out what is the age of this boy Rahat Khan. If he is young, very young, below the age of 12, then there is rukhsa that if he is in the pre-primary section or the primary section, then it may be permissible in a co-ed school, though it's not advisable. It may be makruh but permissible. If it's in the secondary school after standard 6 where the age is above 13, 14, 15, then it's not permitted. If he is in the pre-primary or the primary, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, where the age is up to 9, 10, then it's fine. It's permissible, though not encouraged, but it's always preferable that for a Muslim, a boy should study in a boys' school and a girl should study in a girls' school. In having co-ed in the pre-primary is permitted, to a certain extent, lower level of primary also fine, but up to pre-primary it is safe. After that, avoiding is the best, but in secondary it's totally prohibited. So if you have gone into secondary school, if you are in the pre-primary or primary, there is no problem. If you have entered the secondary school where you have become an adult, then it's not permitted for you to sit next to a girl. What you have to do is you have to change your school and see to it you join a school which is only for men. Hope that answers the question.